Play number 5. So we start here, actually. Visum. Visum est. This is all very concise, really kind of laconic in a way, if you know what that means. And so it's really hard to translate. It seemed. Okay, straightforward there. It seemed like a big deal and a really interesting thing to be known in the case of a very educated man. Okay, there's a superlative there. Yeah, that's a good one. Eruditissimo. Very erudite. And here we've got little gerundive. Sure. To be known. A big thing and really good idea to get known. Eubeo. He orders a boat to be fitted. That's a present passive infinitive. Okay, so he gets a boat together. Guess what he's going to do? Yeah, that's right. He's going to go check out the volcano. Curiosity got the best of him. He creates an opportunity for me if I would like to go with. It's actually a long mark over there. I'm just a little picky about my long marks. This comes from wolo, wele, to want. Okay. So he invites him along, the young Pliny. This is the older Pliny inviting his namesake, Pliny the Younger, his nephew, to come along with him to investigate the eruption of Vesuvius. And then, in typically understated tone, I answer that. Okay, verb of speaking or thinking. We're going to get an indirect statement here. That means subject accusative. Verb infinitive. There it is. I answered that I preferred to study. Another infinitive. Present active infinitive. Now this guy, that's an irregular one, comes from malo. Push this up a little. Male. And this comes from magis volo. To want more is to prefer. I answer that I prefer to study, and by chance he himself gave me something to write. And this subjunctive, that's inside of a relative clause of characteristic. Relative clause characteristic. And the qualifications for a relative clause of characteristic, do you remember them? The antecedent has to be negative, indefinite, or interrogative. Negative, indefinite, or interrogative. In this case, I think it's in indefinite. Something to write. So that's why that's in the subjunctive there. And watch out for this male, really irregular, but it's a squished version of magis volo. And volo itself is irregular. So there you go. Very, very shortened, very condensed.